Hi everyone, welcome to Fang's Kitchen. I'm Fang. Today I'm gonna teach you how to fry cabbage. This cabbage we don't need to cut, but we need to separate by using our hand. By using this way, there will be more surface that the cabbage can touch the salt and pepper. We need to separate this section with leaf section because this section is very hard to cook and this section is very easy. Here we need to cut some garlic and pepper. If you don't like hot flavor, you don't need to use pepper. Let's open the fire. Put some oil. Here we need to wait until the pot is very hot. Then we put the garlic and pepper inside first. Then we can put this section. This section we'll put later on. Okay, let's put the leaves inside. When it's almost ready, let's put some salt. Soy sauce. Yeah, it's ready. This is super delicious and very easy to cook at home. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.